Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. In our previous video, we crafted a version of Joss's beach grill. So now we want to make the dolls some food items to cook on it. First up are the beef tamales. We have made two sets. One is plain and the other has the classic grill marks. Tamales are a traditional Mexican food. They are both delicious and healthy. They're the perfect picnic snack. So, let's get making! For the tamale shell, we took an old manila folder. It's the perfect yellow cream colour. Cut out 4 rectangles measuring 8 by 7 centimetres. To give the paper ridges like those seen on a corn husk, place your paper on a mouse pad and press lines into it with a stylus tool or toothpick. Using a ruler will help guide the stylus tip to produce lots of straight, tight lines. Here you can see the texture. Apply glue stick to one side of the paper. Then wrap it around a marker or other thin cylinder shape. This way, all the tamales will be a similar size. In pencil, make a mark at 3 centimetres from one end. With a ruler, flatten the end whilst also folding up the other end as seen on screen. Trim the paper below the fold line to make a tab. Put more glue on this tab, then adhere to the body of the tamale. For the band that wraps around the tamale, cut more of your textured paper into strips 5 by 1 centimetre. For added dimension, we glued our strips onto more manila paper. Cut out and fold your thicker strip in half. At the fold line, trim a V shape. When opened up, it should look a little bit like a bow tie. Put glue stick on the back, then wrap it around the tamale about 1/3 from the sealed end. For the little tails, cut super thin strips of manila paper. Take 2 strands, bend in half and give a twist. Now attach to the center of the band. Repeat for the other side, then trim off the excess paper. To fill our tamales, we used cotton balls. Really pack it down to ensure the tamale holds its shape. For the beef filling, cut small cubes of fun foam and coat with a mix of brown and red paint. Scoop the mixture into the opening. With a toothpick, individually place some of the fun foam cubes to fill any gaps. Set aside to dry. Now, with yellow ochre paint, dry brush your tamale shell. This step will highlight the texture we made in the paper and also define the edges of the band. Finally, with green paint and a nail art brush, colour the tails. You can leave your tamales as individual servings or, to better match the AG version, glue 2 together. We put grill marks on just one set. Dip the thin edge of a skinny stick into dark brown paint, then lightly rock it over the tamale on a diagonal. Set it aside to dry. That's it! We're done! Now Joss and the dolls have delicious beef tamales to cook on the grill. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.